Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Saturday morning weather hazard briefing for Southeast Idaho. Looking at weather impact summaries for the region. We are expecting record highs today, and we do have a heat advisory out for the eastern Magic Valley, Snake River Plain, and south central highlands. We do have a high pressure ridge across the region, and that should begin to break down this afternoon and continue in through Sunday, resulting in critical fire weather conditions across the region. We are looking at a vigorous storm system that will impact the region on Monday. That will bring gusty winds, valley rain, and mountain snow to the region. Yes, I said snow. And then we're looking at a chance of frost and freeze warnings for the Snake River Plain beginning Tuesday morning and continuing possibly through Thursday morning. Looking at our weather impact matrix, basically the gold colors here indicating the moderate chance for fire weather impacts across the region. Basically the Snake River Plain today and Central Mountains, and then switching to the Snake River Plain and Magic Valley and South Central Highlands for tomorrow. We are expecting possibly some fire weather conditions maybe lingering in the southern highlands towards the Utah border here on Monday. Otherwise, we have that storm system approaching from the north, and that will bringing gusty winds to the region, and certainly cooler temperatures Monday night into Tuesday with mountain snow and valley rain. Looking at our satellite imagery here this morning, we have a high pressure ridge still over the Great Basin that'll bring the record high temperatures today. We do have a disturbance working through northern Washington. It'll shear east along the Canadian border today. That will open the door for some winds starting today. And then you can see some additional disturbances already migrating through the Gulf of Alaska. That'll come over the top of the ridge on Sunday, diving south into the Midwest states, and it'll really begin to beat down this ridge here, allowing unsettled conditions to work their way into southeast Idaho. Hey, just taking a look at the hazards here. Fire weather hazards for today across all of the Central Mountains and Snake River Plain and eastern Magic Valley for today, basically from noon to 9 p.m. this evening for gusty winds and low RH. The impacts will shift further south for Sunday, basically running from the Sun Valley area through Bear Lake and points south and west, again for gusty winds and low humidity. We do have non-fire related hazards out. As we mentioned previously, because of the heat today, we have a broad area of heat advisory, which is active for today. And then as the winds pick up during the day on Sunday, we have a lake wind advisory out for American Falls Reservoir. And if I were to show you some additional graphics here, we'd start looking at least on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, the potential for frost and freeze warnings here throughout the upper Snake River Plain, and maybe even as far south as Aberdeen region. So we got to keep those in mind. Just glancing at the incoming storm system, here we are 6 p.m. Monday. This is the chance of precipitation on the screen. We do have a storm system working in from the north into Montana early Monday. That'll drive a cold front into the Divide region, along with some precipitation in the afternoon hours. That cold front will spread rapidly down the Snake River Plain, bringing very strong northeast winds to the region and colder temperatures, with snow levels basically dropping to valley floors across most of the region. Here we are looking at the probability of precipitation then going into Tuesday morning. So see, the bulk of the probability here is basically along the Montana and Wyoming border as the storm system skirts south now into Wyoming. Okay, to summarize, we have record highs that we are anticipating today under a high pressure ridge. We also have a heat advisory out today for the Snake River Plain and South Central Highlands. The ridge does begin to break down this afternoon and continues through Sunday. That'll result in critical fire weather conditions across southeast Idaho. We have a vigorous storm system moving into the region on Monday, which will bring gusty winds, valley rain, and mountain snow to the region Monday evening and Tuesday morning. We do have a chance for frost and freeze warnings throughout the Snake River Plain starting Tuesday morning and going through Thursday morning. So we'll want to keep an eye on that if you're still trying to nurse your garden along. That's all I had here for you this morning. If you had any comments or questions, please do give us a call at the number on the screen. Thank you.